another Lego video, and today I'm going to be showing you a new car, and for my Cars series, and today it will be a taxi. Here it comes. I'm not sure about the driver in it, so let's get up close. You can see it's taxi, and I think it's backwards for you, unfortunately. Yeah. And that's just the camera. And there's a room for two people in there. Driver. That wasn't the driver. And then the pedestrian or whatever. And in the back you can put his suitcases. This is meant to take people to the train station because it came in the train station set, but you can have it take people anywhere if you want. So that's all I've got to say in this video, and bye.